So I think the last thing to do really is talk about all these different tips that we get with this machine. And make no mistake, there is tons and tons of these tips. And the first one that I want to demonstrate is this one here. So this one is a really, really useful instrument, and it's kind of like a torpedo-shaped instrument, and it's used to very, very gently trough out dentine, you know, sometimes maybe working out some straight line access, open up canals as well. So super useful tip. So the second tip I want to talk about is this kind of ball-ended tip, and in fact I would say I use this more than any other ultrasonic tip. Just because it is got like a narrow shank on it, and if you see here, you can see just a little bit more when you're trying to sort of remove any dentin or anything like that. But what you will notice is if you use it for long enough, you will create a lot of dentin debris. Okay, so what would be another tip in this pack, which is really, really useful, are these types of tips. So these are like normal ultrasonic tips, but in fact you'll notice that looks like a normal ultrasonic tip, but this one, if I can open it, is a little bit thinner, and I suppose in our practice they kind of call it like a bit of a perio tip. And what that does is it kind of, obviously it removes all the dentin debris, but it's also quite a high energy kind of cleaner of the cavity floors. So another really, really useful thing for the use of this tip is actually looking for canal orifices. Weirdly enough, when I was setting up for this video, I was just having a little play around with these tips, and actually you can see here that I'm using a quick succession of the ball-ended diamond tipped ultrasonic along with just a normal tip, and I actually find an MB2 canal. So with this, especially with MB2s, they're really, really sort of small, and you can kind of see where the tip is, and also you can sort of very, very gently remove some of the dentin. Two other tips, these are really, really sort of fine